Curry goat gravy.
This is curry goat or is it
Curry goat.
curry?
No. We not do the goat curry around here.
Goat curry.
No, Jamaicans don't do goat curry.
A vegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, and me born fist style. Girl a bubble for the kingdom, love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile.
Yeah man, so today guys, it's all about cooking outdoor video. Yeah man, so we go get the pot nice and ready, get some fab soap and rub it up. If you have ashes, you can do the same thing, you know, same trick. So that we are dealing with right now. All right, so we have some soap right there, so. Just make sure so the pot wet. You understand? And the reason why I do this, guys, you know, when it's time to clean the pot, you know, all of the burn mark will come right off much easier. Yeah, man. All right, so the fire is ready to go, guys. So we're going to put the pot on the fire and start the process forward. All right, people. So we have some curry powder right there, so. We have some all-purpose seasoning, some fresh herbs. We have some thyme, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion. Yeah, man. And we have some ram it up goat seasoning. You see it? So we go combine everything together and make gonna see what I go on. As me I say, stay tuned. All right. So we have the curry powder here, so guys. Add that to it. And then we're gonna add some to the oil and burn it later on. You understand? Add with all-purpose seasoning blend. Yeah, man. Right, so we have the ram it up goat seasoning. You know, you can put it on your curry goat, brown stew goat, soup, anything you want to add it in, you add it. Because I hear a pot. You see me I say? Yeah, man. We just go drop in 2 of the packets them. Now waste no time, you know, people. Yeah, man. Just like that. Then right, so I have the herbs them. You know, so I crush them up like that. Yeah, man. And here I have the scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, and just a little fresh jalapeno pepper from the garden, you know. So we're going to chop up that. Drop in everything, you know. Different flavors. Yeah, man, we have the ginger right there, so. Drop it in same way. I will go add in some of the pimento berries. Not too much, just a little bit, just for the flavor. Yeah, just like that. All right, so now we go get the hands dirty a little bit. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, man. You see that goat here, guys? Fresh killed goat, you know. Freshly, you know. Come from the butcher. Yeah. Yeah, man. Joke me on it, man. We just got the meat market and got this earlier. Yeah, man. So now, we're going to add some cooking oil to the pot and add some curry powder to the pot. Stir it up. Once it starts to burn, we're going to drop in this. Stay tuned. So we're going to add in the oil right now. The pot hot, you know. Long time it up on the fire. Add in the curry powder. Yes, people. Woo. Stir it up a bunch. Stir it up a little bit, you know. Because we are burning the curry, you know, people. We are burning the curry. Smell good already, you know. Smell nice. Yes, people. That's a go on, you know. Hold on there. Fire blaze. More fire, more fire. Yeah, man. That I like to see, you know. Oh, trying not to burn myself still. You know? Yeah, man. The flame is just right, guys. Just right. When you cook on a wood fire, you know, you have a skill, you know. And that me I tell you, know. Yeah. Whew. All right. So guess what we'll do now, people? We're gonna lock it down and make it go and produce its own liquid for about a 10 minutes, give it some more stir up, and then we're gonna add some water to this and add it in. As I say? All right, people. Like I said earlier, we're gonna add some water to it, you know. Yeah. You know, once we add in the water, yeah, this go tenderize the meat, you know. We'll try to cook this for about an hour. After an hour, we're gonna check back in with you know and make you know what go on. We'll probably even go check back in before an hour, probably about 30 minutes from now, just to check see if we need to add more water to it or not. And then we'll take it right from this. So, yeah. And like I said, guys, today we'll make some curry goat, Jamaican style, real yardman style, backyard style, outdoor style. Yeah, so that we are deal with today, man. If you love curry goat, you need to watch our video. Wait until you see the finished product, how it look. Trust me, you'll love it. Now here's a fun fact. Most people outside the Caribbean don't know. In Jamaica, it's strictly called curry goat, never goat curry. If you say goat curry, people will instantly know you're not from around here. All right, people, so right now, the goat pot a bubble like soup, you know. Yeah, man. Watch it. Come in closer, man, and make them see what I go on. Watch it. See the goat there already, people. You see that? You know, reach it, you know, this is about 30 minutes in the cooking process. You see me, I say? Smell good. You can smell the wood fire and all of the flavors, them, the aromatics, them infused inside of the goat. Yeah, so once this ready, man, a problem. A good problem, not a bad problem, I tell you. Yeah, man, watch out. Curry goat. Meh. You hear that? Yeah, man, that's a go on, people. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, it's not even the summertime yet, and me I tell you, as you can see, I have to take off the shirt earlier because with the, you know, the heat from the wood fire and everything, and the sunshine, trust me, you know, normal. It's hot outside right now, but we still are putting in the work. You understand? Yeah, man. We are trying to create some good videos for my lovely subscriber them. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Yeah, that a go on, that a go on. In Jamaica, a party is not a real party without curry goat. It is the ultimate celebration dish. Weddings, major birthdays, family reunions. If there isn't a massive pot of curry goat bubbling in the yard, guests will literally ask if they're at the right address. Closing back down right now, I'm making go and tenderize up a little bit until it's nice and soft. So, yeah, so once we bite it, it just gonna melt in your mouth. It's gonna be that soft, that good. Yeah, man. Yes, people. The pot are gone. It's not quite there yet, people. It's not quite there yet. It's still a little bit chewy. I tried it earlier, and it's not there yet. Look, it's almost there, but we'll give it some more time. We're not rush the cooking today. So with curry goat now, you have to take your time and make love to it. Yeah. That's right. Now we're going to add some more seasoning to it. Drop in the seasoning now, Deandra. Let's pour it in. Yeah, so there's some little bit of salt and some other things we'll mix up. Because I tried, like I said, I tried it earlier and it was still a little bit fresh. You know? So we'll just go and close him back down and make him get tenderized up, you know? Yeah. Yes, people. It's almost that time. You don't know. Form a line, grab your plate and get ready because curry goat is almost ready, almost good to go. Yeah, man, we go do a taste test right now. A little sample, just for check out the tenderness of the goat meat. You know, we want to make sure it's nice and soft before we remove it from the heat. You understand that too big? I don't want such a big piece. I just want a sample. Yeah, all right. Hold on, the people. Hold on there. All right. Whoa. Hot. Watch out. Whoa. It's getting there. Nice and tender. Right, and me, it hot. And guess what? The camera lady behind the camera, you know, guys. So just I stretch out her hand, you know. See her, you know, please give me a piece, no.
Yes.
So I'll give her a piece.
I beg.
Sample.
Thank you.
The flavor is right. You don't need anything else. We just go wait for the meat to get tender, nice and soft. It's not there yet. Almost there, but it's not there, not ready yet. Keep watching. Ooh. Yeah, man. The belly goat, ram goat smell rank, you know? Yes, people. It's about that time, you know, man. Look on the sky right now, guys. From I start about after 5 p.m. and now it's almost 8 o'clock. So you know, say, the goat's supposed to well soft by now. You understand? Yeah, man, nice, slow cook. Moment of truth, you know, we're going to find out right now if it's soft enough. Yeah, man. We're going to find out if it's soft enough, because it's still, you know, like it's soft enough, you know, guys. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Huh?
Besides what?
Wow.
I joke.
Yes, guys, so 5 more minutes and it should be melting in your mouth type of texture. You understand? So, like I said, you don't want to rush it. We just go make it go on slow cook same way. And by the way, guys, I have something for you to ask you. There was a news article that came out. I think it came out in the Jamaica Observer, TVJ, something like that. And they might talk about the whole OnlyFans spending. I think it was Jamaican spend over $830 million Jamaican dollar, $830 million Jamaican dollars on OnlyFans subscription for the past 2 years, right? I want to think about that because I find that to be quite interesting, you know, because when I think about it, it's a good thing and a bad thing, right? I'm not gonna really dive too deep into the whole OnlyFans thing, but like I said, it's a good thing, and the reason why I say it's a good thing, think about this. When you see a lot of people like that, a lot of Jamaicans spending so much money for the past 2 years on OnlyFans subscription, that means there's a market. You know, that means Jamaicans are willing to spend money on some type of subscription if it's beneficial to them. So my advice to the youths them and the entrepreneurs them, the content creators them, you know, innovators, I think, you know, if you're into stuff like that, technology, tech, you know, I think it's best to create some type of platform, some type of app, you know, where the youths them, you know, the country and a whole can benefit from, and they will pay for it. And that way the money will stay directly inside of the country instead of going out to a foreign country. You understand? And on the bad side now, it's bad for relationship because you're basically creating some type of illusion with a person on the opposite end of your computer screen or your phone screen. You know, the relationship you form with that person is not real. You understand? So that's just my take on the whole thing, you know. We go dive right back in the curry pot and make us see what I go on. Make it go on simmer down. Few more minutes, guys. Yes, people. The goat, the ship, land, you know. Yeah, man. The plain land right you know. We not cook it no longer. You see, no longer we not cook it right now. So we just gonna start share the food. Yeah. Yeah, just hand me plate them, boss. You see it. We don't have no rice right now. The rice sweet, the rice with some fried chicken early, you know, people. But that's the sauce of goat we are give them right now. Yeah, then can add their own rice when they bring it inside. All right. Put a little gravy upon it. Watch there. Nice and rich, you know. Yeah, man. Watch there.
Assistance. What's that?
Yes, sir.
Richness.
Yes.
Whoa.
Yes.
It's not a hot belly.
Hot belly. You mad? This not hot belly, you know, man. You must be mad. Yes, people.
one. Stop at me with 2 or 3 real. Those are a long time. There's something happening. I'm a professional.
Hey, we say a professional fish eater. Eh?
Man, go man.
I used to say, you know. Hold it goat, hold the plate, man. The top one, drop, you know. Yeah. Curry goat gravy.
Curry goat gravy.
How do you like curry goat? Or fried chicken? How do you like the curry goat gravy on the rice? Don't you? You know, most Jamaican love the curry goat. Yeah, curry. That's it. Curry gravy, nice for anything. Take this, Lando.
So this is curry goat or is it
Curry goat
curry?
No. We not do the goat curry around here.
Goat curry.
No, Jamaicans don't do goat curry. If you're from probably Trinidad or somewhere like that, Guyana, and in places them call it goat curry.
Who's right and who's wrong?
There's no wrong answer. And there's no right answer. You know, wherever you're from, that's the right answer. You know. One more curry goat box. Smell nice, people, nice. This is like a bone, so that's why it looks so big, you know. One more. Yes, people, so see what I go on. The curry goat, them ready, you know. So we just go inside, add some white rice to it, and enjoy. Yes, me I say, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, you're missing out. So go ahead and click that link, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you'll be notified, all right? Yeah, man, so this is the curry goat Jamaican style, yardman style. Big up on yourself.